Looking for reliable tankless water heater services in Phoenix, Arizona? Springs Plumbing is here to help. Enjoy endless hot water with our professional tankless water heater installations. Say goodbye to bulky tanks. Our solutions save space and energy. Whether it's repair or maintenance, we ensure your system runs efficiently. Not sure which model is right for you? Our experts can guide you every step of the way. Reduce your energy bills with the efficiency of tankless water heaters. We specialize in top-quality brands that deliver lasting performance. Experience faster heating and consistent water temperatures throughout your home. Our licensed plumbers are dedicated to providing outstanding service every time. From installation to troubleshooting, we've got all your needs covered. Serving homeowners and businesses across Phoenix, we're your trusted local experts. With Springs Plumbing, you get superior workmanship and dependable results. Call us today at 480-265-6936 to schedule your tankless water heater service. Visit springsplumbingaz.com to learn more about our plumbing solutions. Enjoy hot water on demand with Springs Plumbing, Phoenix's go-to plumbing experts. Trust us to bring comfort, convenience, and savings to your home.